Can you score 40 plus? Can you prove your IQ is impressive? Let's find out right now. Like, share, and comment your score below. Which country has no official capital city? Which desert is the largest in the world? Which country spans both Europe and Asia? Which river flows through the most countries? Which country has the most time zones? Which ocean is the deepest? Which country is completely landlocked by South Africa? Which continent has no permanent residents? Which country uses no rivers as borders? Which country has the oldest continuous civilization? Which country has the most volcanoes? Which mountain is the tallest above sea level? Which country has the longest coastline? Which sea has no coastline? Which country has the most natural lakes? Which city is built on more than 100 islands? Which country is located in both Europe and Africa? Which country has the largest Muslim population? Which country has the highest number of pyramids? Which country was never colonized? Which country has the highest language diversity? Which planet rotates the fastest? Which country has the most islands? Which currency is used in the most countries? Which country recorded the coldest temperature on Earth? Which city has the largest metropolitan population? Which country produces the most coffee? Which strait separates Europe and Asia? Which country has the most UNESCO World Heritage Sites? Which country has no standing army? Which African country was formerly known as Abyssinia? Which country has the highest life expectancy? Which country has the largest rainforest area? Which lake is the deepest in the world? Which country has the most billionaires? Which country holds the largest gold reserves? Which country has the most English speakers? Which country has the largest railway network? Which country is home to the tallest statue in the world? Which canal connects the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea? Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Which country has the highest GDP? Which country has the largest oil reserves? Which river is considered the longest in the world by modern studies? Which country is home to Machu Picchu? Which country has the most nuclear reactors? Which country has the largest population? Which country has the oldest monarchy in the world? Which continent has the highest number of countries? Which country has the highest number of official languages?
So, how many did you get right? Comment below your score. Let's see who's the real geography genius. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get ready for the next fun quiz.